In this video, I want to talk to you about how to make your company profile stand out. The first thing is, please understand that people are not interested in you when you were established, how long you've been there, how great you are. They want to hear that you can solve their problems. So the first thing that you do is address your ideal client's problem. Can you solve my problem? If you can, people will be compelled to read on. The second thing, then you come in, is your story. Tell your why story. Why did you decide to do what you do? Is it something that happened in the economy? Is it something that you've seen people experience? Is it an issue that your ideal client faces and that made you, compelled you, got you very emotional and passionate and determined that this is a thing that you want to do? Tell your why story. Why does it matter to you to be engaged in the business or in the nonprofit cause that you're in? The third thing to do on your company profile is state your products. No more than 3 products, or if you're thinking, Modesta, I have a whole lot. If you think you have a lot, then 3 product categories. That way people can immediately see exactly what it is that you offer, how it is clustered, what it entails, and how they can access it. The fourth thing to make sure you put on your company profile to make it stand out is testimonials. Get 3 solid testimonials that preferably have the person's full name and picture. Whether it is an individual that you were able to get from some zero state where things were not going well to the hero, yay state where they are right now, or if you did that for an organization, if it's business to business. Let people know that you actually have served others and have done so successfully, and that social proof will compel people through your company profile to want to engage with you. The fifth thing to do is to state a compelling, strong call to action. Many a times people write company profiles as just, information. Okay, now I know. But when you add a call to action, whether that is subscribe to our newsletter, or is take advantage of our current offer and register for this or sign up for that, or get on a complimentary call with us to learn a little bit more about what it is that we can do for you, that then gets people moving. The sixth thing to add to your company profile are brief professional bios. The chairperson of the board, that would be significant. But what's most important is the faces, the bios, the credibility of those that will serve the client as they're looking at your company profile. The seventh detail to add to your company profile are your contact details. Make sure it's an email, not Gmail, people, not Gmail. A corporate email. You can put your physical address and the hours that you're available if you'd like to. Put your website on so that people can easily reach you. Tip, upload your company brochure, your company profile on your website. The 8th, 9th, and 10th points are really about formatting. They're really about presentation. Make sure that you don't use frilly, lovely, artsy font, unless of course that is your business, that is artsy and it's designing, etc. If it is a law firm, if it is an engineering firm, you want to use really sturdy fonts that say, I am serious and I'm ready to do business. So if you're not in the creative arts, stay away from creative fonts and give the impression of a very serious organization ready to serve. The 9th point is, please use white spaces. When I say white spaces, your company profile doesn't have to have a white background, but what I mean is leave out space. Space the paragraphs, space, and number 10 is actually images and infographics. Space the graphs, space the images so that it gives your company profile a clean look that people would want to work with. All right, guys, I hope that's helped. I hope that you're able to now see and you can improve them to increase your chances of your ideal client wanting to do business with you. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Modesta Africa TV, turn on notifications, and share this far and wide.